A for B for C for D for E for elephant. F for G for H for I for J for juice. K for L for M for N for O for P for Q for R for S for T for tomato. U for Pichu, U for B for W for X for W for Y for Z for Z for